Hi, Namaste. Welcome to our Shapur Center. Myself, Srimati Chandrarekha. We are running this center from 2 decades successfully with more than 1,000 plus children. All our senior children got placed into MNCs, few of them got into IITs, and few of them got 3-digit ranks in GATE, and a few are working as part-time teachers with us as they got passionate with the abacus teaching. We train the housewives and passionate ladies to do part-time job and earn a good income without disturbing their family time, without any stress. It is a fantastic way to utilize your skills and gain financial independence. We also give training for the franchisees to start their own center near to their places. It's a good opportunity for the housewives and who are interested to do any part-time job. We are a group of 8 teachers working together to give our best for the bright future of the children. You can meet our teachers too who are working with us.
Namaste, myself Srimati Sarita. I love teaching abacus and I'm so glad to teach my children. I started this journey in 2014. I got trained up to 7 levels. In this 11 years of journey, and very most important and special thanks to Mrs. Chandra ma'am. I love her. I am in this stage because of her motivation and support. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
నమస్తే, నా పేరు సుగుణ. నేను 2016లో కరెక్షన్ టీచర్గా జాయిన్ అయినాను. ప్రోగ్రామ్ మంచిగా అనిపించి ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు 4 లెవెల్స్ దాకా ట్రైనింగ్ అయ్యింది. 4 లెవెల్స్ టీచ్ చేస్తున్నాను.
నమస్తే అండి, నా పేరు రేణుక. నేను లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ డిసెంబర్లో 2024లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. ఫస్ట్ లెవెల్ ట్రైనింగ్ అయిపోయింది. 20 స్టూడెంట్స్కి టీచింగ్ చేశాను.
నమస్తే, నా పేరు ఉమా పార్దవి. నేను 2024లో ఫస్ట్ లెవెల్ ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఇప్పటికీ సెకండ్ లెవెల్ ట్రైనింగ్ కంప్లీట్ అయ్యింది. 30+ స్టూడెంట్స్కి నేను టీచింగ్ కూడా కంప్లీట్ చేశాను.
Myself, Mrs. Harita. I'm working as an abacus teacher in this institute since 2015. I have trained up to 6 levels. I take online classes. Children who are attending online classes are showing equal performance like offline children. I am very happy to support each and every child in learning abacus. I am very grateful to be a part of Virtuoso Abacus Academy. Thank you.
Namaste everyone, I am Shirisha. I got trained for junior level. I am teaching for UKG and first class students. Through abacus they learn maths very fun and creative way. I will really appreciate those children at that young age they are able to do single digit and double digit addition and subtraction without any fear. Abacus is not just about numbers. It also builds strong brain development and lifelong learning skills. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Bharat Simha. I am really excited to share my journey with Virtuoso Abacus Academy, an organization which has made huge difference in my life. I've joined Virtuoso Abacus in my 4th standard and have completed graduation in 8th standard. A small interest has soon turned into most valuable learning experience in my life. Virtuoso Abacus helped me overcome my fear of maths, also improves concentration skills and analytical skills, and also taught me Asanas where I could gain my focus. Today I feel proud to be teaching at the same Shapur branch where my journey began. I love spending time with children and also create same learning experiences which my teachers gave to me. And I'm also proud to share that I have secured an All India rank of 295 in GATE examination 2025 and I have also excelled in many Olympiads in my school days. And I owe most of the success to the Virtuoso Abacus Academy. All thanks to my teacher, Srimati Chandrarekha ma'am, my biggest inspiration in my life. And I'm truly thankful to Virtuoso Abacus Academy, a place which not only teaches math, but also builds confidence and focus in love for learning. Thank you.